Hello and welcome back for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Agix chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening here on the Agix chart, where you can see that we saw this massive crash on the 10th of June in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.17131 mark. And afterwards, we have been seeing a very nice recovery to the upside in a move that has also been trading within this ascending channel, where you can now see that we have seen the breakout out of the channel to the upper side. And we have also managed to break through a key area of resistance at around the $0.227 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And there are high chances that Agix is going to continue gearing up and get to the next key area of resistance at around the $0.25885 mark. And a break above that, we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. And in case we see a bit of a pullback on the charts, then we can expect our key area of support at around the $0.227 mark to act as support and give us that bounce back to the upside to help us break through other key areas of resistances. Agix has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and if I zoom out on the charts, you can see that after seeing our November lows down here, we saw a very nice 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have now fully maximized minimum target areas for this second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And since we have fully maximized that target area, there are high chances that the low for this second wave is now in, and Agix is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3, where I'm expecting Agix to first give us a 5-wave move on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure to the lower side before we can continue gearing up. Once we see such a movement on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and that we have started an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that we are not going to get one more leg down in this second wave, I can give you target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.1199 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Agix to do in the formation of that wave 3. So here on the charts, we need to be watching significant areas of supports and resistances, because a break above resistance could help us be able to put in place a 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure and a break above significant swing highs before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the Agix chart. And in case we see a bit of a pullback, then continue keeping your eyes on the next key area of support at around the $0.227 mark. On the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 72 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.